At the outset, on behalf of the entire Xavier's family, we welcome you all to the virtual assembly for Independence Day 2020, which has been very beautifully synchronized and conducted by our students. Like every year, this year also, the flag hoisting has been done in the school campus where some of our faculty members could join in due to the outgoing condition.
Hello everyone, welcome to the visual assembly of Independence Day 2020. I, Ishani Banerjee, on behalf of the whole St. Xavier's family, convey my warm wishes and greetings to everyone on the occasion of 74th Independence Day of India. Now, I would request everyone to join our celebration on the National Day, where we will pay tribute not only to the national leaders who struggled for India to free from the captivity of the Britishers, but to all the frontline workers who are struggling daily just to save and protect us.
Hi everyone, I am Anirban of Standard 12 Science, the co-host of the day. We feel privileged to be a part of the world where brotherhood still exists and love and care for others have not yet got extinct, and this pandemic has proved that. We salute to all the frontliners who have lost their lives while struggling and the ones who are still fighting.
Very rightly said, Anirban. It would always be impossible to express in words the sacrifices of freedom fighters and today's COVID warriors. Now, allow me to begin with the performances today. To begin with, we have one of our most honorable associate member of St. Xavier's Bankura, currently serving as the principal of DPS Paradeep, Dr. Dhananjay Pan, to commence the day with his valuable message.
Dear students, teachers and parents, my heartfelt wishes to each of my St. Xavier's Parivar members present here and to all my students who have virtually joined us today for celebrating our country's 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India's tries to its destiny. We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about insult of being governed by a foreign power. The identity of being an independent country where sovereign power of deciding our destiny rests with us brings about a huge responsibility on our shoulders. This was only possible due to the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. This pandemic has seen a large number of frontline workers who, despite the pandemic, have ensured they served the society selflessly for all medical, administrative and emergency needs. To all doctors, nurses, paramedics, policemen, sanitation workers and all others engaged in different duties in the fight against COVID-19, a big thank you from St. Xavier's Parivar. They are the true Corona warriors of India. In addition to the frontline Corona warriors, there were numerous other essential service people who were ensuring life runs normal for all of us. In the category, our teachers of St. Xavier's Parivar have also braved their pandemic and ensured that school education is not affected. This year, with the coronavirus pandemic playing havoc for physical school life, it has created an opportunity for embracing technology and conducting virtual classes. Our school and our teachers have been in the forefront of conducting virtual classes for both scholastic and co-scholastic, conducting inter-house competitions, different celebrations, and even having our examinations in the form of periodic tests via online mode. This, my children, is the motto with which each St. Xavier teacher works, that is service before self. E-learning or virtual learning did pose a lot of challenges to both teachers and students over technology and access, but with time, it has now become the new normal for St. Xavier's Bakuda. Hence today, we at St. Xavier's Bakuda are first time conducting our Independence Day, both physically present in school in the form of our teachers and virtually present are all our Xaverians along with their parents. On the occasion of the 74th Independence Day, let us salute today people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. As we are all aware of the week-long Gandagi Mukt Bharat campaign, which started on 8th August 2020, let's also pledge today that we shall make our India Gandagi Mukt Bharat. I conclude my speech with a very famous saying, our words have power, but our actions shape our lives. Wish you all a happy Independence Day, and may the tricolor of our country fall very high. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Moving next, we have our Honorable Principal Sir to convey a message on this remarkable day.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe. I welcome you all on behalf of the Xavier's family to the virtual celebration of India's 74th Independence Day. Today it really reminds me that how Mahatma Gandhi struggled to unite India during the freedom movement, and yes, that unity is right now the need of the hour. This year's Independence Day will not be actually what or how we celebrate it, because our new normal life is teaching us how to overcome the toughest time and stand by each other. This is the exact time when we need to prove that we are the true light bearers of our national leaders who has taught us not to step back, not to embrace fear and face all difficulties together and remain united. Time does fly and situation overcomes even. This Independence Day, let's pay our heartfelt tribute not only to our national leaders but also to all the frontline workers who are the fighting with the pandemic to give us a better living. Our dear students who are miles apart from school but tried their best to contribute in the virtual celebration. I request you all to bless them, encourage and appreciate their efforts. I convey my heartfelt thanks to all my teachers and the guardians for being a constant support. Stay safe. Thank you.
Next, we present before you all the series of the cultural performances. Miles away from the school, the technology has come to our rescue to keep us connected with the school and the celebrations. Here, we have a tribute to all the COVID warriors and the frontliners to keep theirs and our spirits high in this COVID situation. Here are performances.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala Sufala, Malayaj Sheetala, Sasya Shyamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Everyone, good morning. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and I am Ishika Bishas from class 4. I want to tell a small speech on the topic of Independence Day. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15 August 1947. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. This year we are celebrated our 73rd Independence Day. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and so many others. It is a public holiday and it is celebrated with full enthusiasm. On this great occasion, our Prime Minister hosts a flag on Red Fort. There will be an army parade followed by various types of cultural programs. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one, that is only Indian. Let us be proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Salute. Thank you.
Next, we have a message from our Honorable Administrator cum CBSE Coordinator, Sanjay Rai sir.
সুপ্রভাত, গুড মর্নিং। আজ 15ই আগস্ট 1947 সালের 15 আগস্ট ভারত স্বাধীনতা লাভ করে। অনেক দিন প্রতি বছর এটা আমরা শুনেই আসি, স্কুল কলেজে প্রতি বছর পতাকা উত্তোলন হয়। ঠিক তার পরদিন যে যার কাজে আবার শুরু করে দিই। আসলে 15 আগস্ট স্বাধীনতা দিবস কি, স্বাধীনতা কি, স্বাধীনতা দিবসের তাৎপর্যই বাকি। স্বাধীনতা দিবস বলতে 1947 সালে 15 আগস্ট আমরা ব্রিটিশদের হাত থেকে আমাদের ভারতবর্ষকে আমরা স্বাধীন করে নিয়েছিলাম। এই দিনটা প্রত্যেক ভারতবাসীর কাছে একটা পবিত্র দিন। তা তিনি দেশেই থাকুন কিংবা বিদেশেই থাকুন, আমরা সবাই নিজের ঘরে, বিদ্যালয়ে, মহাবিদ্যালয়ে, কার্যালয়ে, নগর, গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতে, সরকারি বেসরকারি ভবনে স্ব উৎসাহের সঙ্গে পতাকা উত্তোলন করে থাকি। ত্রিবর্ণ রঞ্জিত পতাকা আমাদের দেশের আত্মমর্যাদার প্রতীক। এদিন আমরা দেশের সার্বভৌমত্ব উৎসব উদযাপন করি আর আমাদের পূর্বসূরীদের অবদানের কৃতজ্ঞতার সঙ্গে স্মরণ করি, যাদের প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা অনেক কিছু পেয়েছি। এদিন প্রাক্কালে অর্থাৎ সকালে আমাদের দেশের প্রধানমন্ত্রী দিল্লির লালকেল্লায় ত্রিবর্ণ রঞ্জিত পতাকা উত্তোলন করেন এবং দেশবাসীর উদ্দেশ্যে ভাষণ দেন। সেখানে তিনি শহীদ, যারা স্বাধীনতার জন্য প্রাণ বিসর্জন দিয়েছিলেন, তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে তিনি সেখানে কিছু কথাও বলে থাকেন। আমরা যদি স্বাধীনতার রাজনৈতিক অর্থ ব্যাখ্যা করি তাহলে মনে হবে আমরা যেন 1947-এর 15 আগস্ট আমাদের লক্ষ্যমাত্রা পূর্ণ করে ফেলেছি। সেদিন আমরা বিদেশি শাসকদের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াইয়ে সফল হয়েছিলাম এবং স্বাধীন ভারত আমরা পেয়েছিলাম। কিন্তু শুধু কি এটা তাই? আমাদের স্বাধীনতার সঙ্গে স্বাধীনতা পাওয়ার পর আমাদের কিছু কিছু লক্ষ্য আমাদের রাখতে হবে। কি না, আমাদের দেশের দারিদ্র্য দূরীকরণ করতে হবে, প্রত্যেক শিশুর হাতে তার পাঠ্যপুস্তক পৌঁছে দিয়ে তাদেরকে স্বাক্ষর করে তুলতে হবে। দেশের প্রত্যেক নাগরিককে আমাদের উচিত দেশের প্রতি এইটুকু অবদান রেখে যাওয়া। জয় হিন্দ, জয় ভারত মাতা।
Oh no, please wait. Our cultural part has not ended yet. The blooming buds of Xavier's could not hold their enthuse when they came to know that we are going to celebrate the Independence Day this year also. So stay tuned.
यहाँ
warm welcome to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Anirban Chatterjee from class 8 and I am here to speak a few words about today's auspicious day. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru and many others sacrificed and devoted their lives for the nation's freedom. Since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the field of education, sports, technology, science, agriculture, etc. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers are still fighting at border to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the nation's development and progress. Let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल पड़ के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे न हि सुप्तश्च सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः। कोई भी काम कड़ी मेहनत से ही होता है, सिर्फ सोचने भर से नहीं होता। कभी भी सोते हुए शेर के मुंह में हिरन खुद प्रवेश नहीं करता है। धन्यवाद।
सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं, हम बच्चे हंसते गाते हैं, हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, बत पर बिखरे कंकर काटे हम चुन चुन कर दूर हटाते हैं। आए कितनी भी बधाए हम कभी नहीं घबराते हैं। धन दौलत से ऊपर उठ के सपनों की महल बनाते हैं। हम खुशी बांटते दुनिया को, हम हंसते और हंसाते हैं, सारे जग में अच्छे हैं, हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
धन धन मेरी आबाद रहे जो मेरे वतन
Everyone, I am Shantini Roy from class 8. Happy Independence Day to all. Today is our 74th number of Independence Day. People of India had suffered a cruel behavior from Britishers for a long time. Before 1947, we were not free, and even we are restricted to have rights on our own body and mind. But after so much struggle and movements, today we are free. We have got the freedom to do anything. This has happened just only for our great leaders such as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Khudiram Bose, and so on. They sacrificed their life just for giving us this beautiful and pleasant life. Their devotion of life cannot be forgotten. They always be alive in our heart and mind. India is our motherland and we are its citizens, so it's our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country in the world. We should respect our Indian flag, and our mother India. Jai Hind.
थोड़ा नवे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना देख मुझे उड़ उड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती सवरती है राजे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है राजे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
When everything has moved to virtual from physical these days, our teachers assure that their advices and suggestions to students never get hindered. So here we have our respected Shiv Prasad Singh sir to share his message.
आदरणीय निदेशक महोदय, माननीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि आज हमारा देश स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़े उल्लास के साथ मनाने जा रहा है। मैं अपने आप को बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि इस पावन अवसर पर मुझे कुछ बोलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि वर्तमान समय में हमारे देश में कोरोना जैसी वैश्विक महामारी का प्रचंड प्रकोप फैला हुआ है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद हमारे देश के लोगों में इस ऐतिहासिक पर्व को मनाने का उत्साह कम नहीं हुआ है। हमारी आज़ादी के संघर्ष की गाथा बहुत बड़ी है, जिसको बयान करना एक दिन की बात नहीं है। यह हमारा 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस समारोह है। आज से ठीक 73 वर्ष पूर्व बड़ी संघर्ष के बाद हमें आज़ादी मिली थी। हमारे देश ने अपना वजूद खो दिया था और उस अस्तित्व को पाने में हमारे देश के वीर जवानों ने जिस प्रकार से अपने आप को देश के प्रति शहादत किया, ये सचमुच गर्व की बात है। हमें उन तमाम वीर योद्धाओं को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए इस पर्व को मनाते हैं और ये हमारा मूल कर्तव्य है कि हम उन वीरों की कुर्बानी को, उनकी बलिदान को हम यूं ही व्यर्थ जाने नहीं देंगे। इसलिए आइए आज हम सब यह मिलकर प्रण करें कि हम अपने देश के अस्तित्व को बनाए रखने में अपनी भूमिका प्रदान करेंगे। मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी पंक्ति याद आ रही है। हसरत यही है दिल में कि काश ऐसा एक दिन आए जब मेरे लहू का एक कतरा भी मेरे वतन के काम आए। मैं इसी पंक्ति के माध्यम के बाद मैं अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Along with the cultural activities, the students also participated in many of the craft activities via virtual platform. The little ones dressed up into the roles of their favorite national hero.
Hello everyone, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion of Independence Day, our main motive of celebration is to aware the youth about the pride and courage of our brave freedom fighters. It is the day when we forget all our cultural differences and unite as a true Indian. As Chacha Nehru said, long years ago we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the whole world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, where we will step out from old to new, where an age ends, and when a soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. The sacrifice and hard work of our freedom fighter had made our country independent from the British rule. I salute them for their sacrifices and hard work which led to the independence of our country. Jai Hind.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं, हम बच्चे हंसते गाते हैं, हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, बत पर बिखरे कंकर काटे हम चुन चुन कर दूर हटाते हैं। आए कितनी भी बधाई हम कभी नहीं घबराते हैं। धन दौलत से ऊपर उठ के सपनों की महल बनाते हैं। हम खुशी बांटते दुनिया को, हम हंसते और हंसाते हैं, सारे जग में अच्छे हैं, हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Now that we have come to the end of our virtual assembly, I thank each one of you for joining us in our virtual celebration of the Independence Day. I also thank to all my teachers for giving us this opportunity and for guiding us throughout. So let's stand united and hope for the country's better health. So it's the time for singing the national anthem together.
School, attention!
thanks to all our loving teachers for grooming the kids and all the guardians for being a constant support. Thank you.